211 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 25th October. According to health bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 25th October, 321 people recovered in last 24 hours. 6 new deaths reported. Total confirmed cases in the states are 42,242. Total active cases in the state stands at 2,576. Total recovered cases stands at 39,090. Total 576 deaths are reported till 25th October. Goa's recovery rate is 92.54%. Total samples tested till 25th October are 2,90,350. Breakup of total 2,576 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center, CSC Bicholim 122, CSC Sakre 92, CSC Paranam 61, CSC Warpai 58, Urban Health Center, USC Mapsa 111, USC Panji 113, Primary Health Center, PSC Aldona 37, PSC Betki 34, PSC Kandolim 113, PSC Kansarvarnam 16, PSC Korwai 60, PSC Kolem 99, PSC Chimbal 151, PSC Sholem 83, PSC Porvorim 185, PSC Mayam 30, Travelers by Road Flight Train 3. South Goa Community Health Center, CSC Kurchorim 52, CSC Kankana 55, Urban Health Center, USC Markau 232, USC Vasco 130, Primary Health Center, PSC Bali 45, PSC Kansaulim 51, PSC Chinchenim 26, PSC Kortalim 93, PSC Kurtorim 88, PSC Lutolim 52, PSC Marsayam 50, PSC Kapam 50, PSC Sangyam 37, PSC Shirada 35, PSC Darbandara 34, PSC Ponda 137, PSC Navilim 41. Bed capacity in COVID Care Center as on 25th October are as follows. District North, total capacity 469, current vacancy 347. District South, total capacity 692, current vacancy 563. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.